dumb fuck. He's gonna get got by the fucking cops! Ah! Oh, that's fucking great. Oh, that sucks. Oh, buddy. You can't park there.
Oh, he's stopping too.
Go. He's got someone. I reckon he's got the Commodore.
Wouldn't surprise me. Nah, green Commodore.
Instant karma. Awesome. Run a stop sign, pull right out in front of a cop, and get pulled over. Yeah. That cop's gonna ask him, why'd you run the stop sign? Good job, Roanoke Police.
hindi pero yung usually na alam hindi ko alam kasi nangyari magre-request ka ng telepono. Ganon. Hindi, ngayon binibigyan mo ng 300 eh. Binibigyan mo ng ibang plan pala sa'yo. Ibang style. Iba yung sa akin eh. Binigyan kami ng telepono. Na binibigay sa
We don't fuck with 12, nigga, it's the Atlanta day. Nigga, it's the Atlanta day. I just pulled up in a Lambo, it's the Atlanta.
Sorry for the hate speech. As long as you repent, it's okay. Candace Owens is the host of the Candace Owens podcast, and she has her own ideas for what Stanford might ban on its banned word list. It's great to see you tonight, Candace. Thanks for coming on. Both of us, of course, went to Stanford. We met in the computer science department there. And so for us, this is personal. What would you suggest that they ban?
You know, I have to be honest, I'm scared to speak. I'm not trying to get banned. I'm trying to abide by all of the rules, which would probably be easier if you're a student at Stanford if you just kept your mouth shut. It just seems like a walking minefield, which is ridiculous. But I think if we can't beat it, we got to join and we should ban some more words. I would say we should ban intelligence, obviously, because it's an ableist term. They had a whole section for ableism, right? And, of course, intelligence and the ableism, it doesn't allow...
First pitcher Clayton Kershaw was just about to leave his media appearance when he was alerted to a 10-year-old inside the interview room.
That took a lot of courage, man. That was awesome. Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for coming.
Good thing that the kid and Kershaw weren't playing for the Red Sox because they would have traded them both for. He ever got to meet Clayton Kershaw, so his 10-year-old. grandson was standing in for him as he was announcing why he was there, and you see Clayton Kershaw, when the boy begins to cry, get up and do what you would hope every athlete that you like would do. Clayton, this picture about baseball, that it is a love of a sport that's passed down from generation to generation. After the Red Sox finally won the series in '04, you'd hear stories of people that sat in the stands with their take the program or take some other memento and just sit there with them. Did you do that, Mike? I did. I brought the final scorecard from Busch Stadium, the old Busch Stadium, in 2004, with a little canister of infield dirt that I scooped up from the infield there after the game was over and left it.
Oh my god.